All right, some serious weather to talk about right now. We have severe storms rolling through our area. Brian Goddard.
Yes, we do. And that severe thunderstorm watch is until 9 o'clock tonight, but I think that'll be dropped very early. It's not going to be lasting until 9 o'clock. We have the warnings anywhere you see in orange for Washington, Waukesha, Milwaukee, and Racine counties until 3:45 this afternoon. The core of this now moving just to the south of Hartford into Oconomowoc, into Lake Country near Shaniqua, Merton as well, Butler, getting ready to get some really heavy rain. I mean, this is blinding rainfall and a lot of lightning around the area. It was going right along Highway 41, and it's kind of turned a little bit over the last 15 to 20 minutes, so it's kind of moving more south to southeast. So that's why, once again, I'm saying, in its current trajectory, it would miss downtown Milwaukee, the core of this. We are going to still see lightning and rain and some gusty winds in downtown Milwaukee, but the worst of it, this section of the storm looks to be moving right through Waukesha County, possibly extreme western portions of Milwaukee County, then down into Racine County. So we'll be watching that very carefully as it continues to move off to the southeast at 20 to 25. We've had reports now of over 50-mile-per-hour winds in parts of Dodge and Waukesha County, and the potential for some quarter-sized hail and a whole lot of rain. To the graphics we'll go, and we'll show you what's going on. We have that watch until 9 o'clock. That is not going to last until 9 o'clock. Once this rain gets out of here, I think that is it for the most part across southeastern Wisconsin. It was very hot. It was very humid today, but that storm complex is taking a lot of energy out of the atmosphere. I'm starting to see a few raindrops on the lens in downtown Waukesha. That was noticing the winds. They're starting to whip around a little bit. As I mentioned, we had a gust of around 50, which isn't quite severe. Severe is 58 or higher. Waukesha was at 88 degrees, 72 degrees. The last time they took a reading, though, it was 15-mile-per-hour winds gusting probably to 30. I'll step back out of here. The darker skies are moving into Milwaukee as well. Looks pretty ominous, but as I was mentioning, the worst of it is staying just to the west. We're not going to get out of here without any rain or any wind or any potential some small hail in Milwaukee, but the worst of it will be west of us. 92 degrees in Milwaukee. It was 95 just a couple of days ago, so it's been a hot couple of days around here. The dew point continues to be in the lower 70s. We have the heat advisory, Milwaukee out towards Madison and south until 6 o'clock this evening. Only till 6 because, well, once this pushes on through, we're going to cool down, and to have an advisory, you want to have those heat indices around 100 degrees, and that will not be the case once we get cooled down by rain. Take a look at the cooler weather. They're finally breathing a sigh of relief back out toward the Twin Cities after being near 100 degrees for the last week. They're down to 82, 75 in Rhinelander, so some cooler air on the way, but it will remain humid. Not as humid as it has been. We are in the lower 70s right now. The dew points are dropping into the low to mid 60s. We'll take what we can get is basically what I'm saying. It's going to be a little bit better for Saturday and Sunday, but a huge change in the forecast Sunday night and then all of next week as we dry the air out and only have highs in the 70s. There will still be enough moisture in the air tonight, though, to get some fog developing once we get the rain out of here, which I think will be out of here well before 7 o'clock. And then your evening plans are just fine, just a little on the humid side. Tomorrow, upper 70s to lower 80s. Could see some lake fog like we did just the other day. And inland areas will be in the lower 80s, but no rain for Saturday. The next chance of rain after tonight will be on Sunday. So these afternoon to evening storms, then patchy fog, 65 degrees tomorrow. Still humid, but not quite as sticky as today, and highs near 80 degrees. 85 with some thunderstorms on Sunday, 72 for your Labor Day, and 70s all of next week with a lot of sunshine. I hear more beeping in the Weather Center.
You're being called.
I'm trying to see what's updating here on the maps here, but not Kenosha yet. So we will go take a look and see what's going on.
All right, Brian, sounds good. Thanks.